To free up space on Redmi Note 15 Pro 5G, first of all, we'll need to open settings on our device. Next step is to click on About Phone Information and then navigate to the storage right here. That way we'll be able to find our storage space, and there's two options to clean up space. First one is to just click on the free up right here, and then it will check the cleaner for any unwanted data on your phone. You can then manage which files will be deleted. So you have cache files, obsolete files, packages, and residuals. And there's also memory. As you can see, for memory there's 518 megabytes that it will clear, and you can pop it open to see what exactly will be cleaned. If you do not agree to clean those apps, you can just deselect them and then perform the cleanup. Now, as you can see, it's done, and we just freed up almost 500 megabytes of space on our device. And next thing you can do, as I said, was a deep clean. You can always click on it, and then there will be a few different folders that you can click on, like delete videos. You can check the videos out and then simply remove them. You can also go for a file category with apps, so you can check the apps and then see which apps you haven't used for some time, and then remove them if you don't use them and simply forgot about them. There's also clear app data. Keep in mind that this will basically delete everything that you have in that app. So if you select to delete any of the data of those apps, all of the things that you did in that app will be removed. And also you should be able to find here option to delete duplicate photos. In this case, I don't have those duplicate photos on my phone, so there's no option, but if you have them on your phone, then you will see them. And there's also probably plenty of more options that you will see if your phone is more occupied with storage. And that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching, and if you like this video, please consider subscribing.